Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some breakfast. Here in my bowl I've got some flour with a pinch of salt. I have mixed that and combined that together. I am making a well, or so I say. I don't know if it's a well, you decide. I'm pouring some hot water and now I'm gonna be adding some vanilla essence, and I'm also going to be putting some cinnamon powder. The reason for the hot water is that it gives the flour, or it gives the dough, a different texture when it's fried, different from when you put the cold water. So that's what I am doing here. You're going to give this a good mix and combine everything. Yes, and then it will be ready for your oil that has been preheated on your stove. Stay tuned. After you finish mixing and combining your dough or your flour, however you say it in the country that you're from, you're gonna be ready to fry and put in your oil. Here you can see me with a bag, and I am putting it in my bag. I was experimenting. Don't ask me what I was doing. I was gonna cut this part out of the video, guys, because those stuff in that pan looks like, yeah, I'm not even gonna say what it looks like. But anywho, I carried on doing my experimente. It did not go according to how I planned. You know, that thought in your head that said what I planned to do and what actually happened? Yeah, that's what those are looking like. That's in my frying pan or my pot. I am not even going to mention what they look like, but you can let me know in the comment section what you guys think that it looks like. Okay? So anyway, I carried on with my experiment. At some point, I'm going to abandon this experiment, as you'll see coming up in the video. But might I say, it tasted yummy nonetheless. Myself and the children enjoyed it. So keep watching and you will see the rest of what I am going to be doing. Thank you for watching. Please do remember to give the video a like. Thank you. After finishing my experiment, I decided to just go the usual way and just use the spoon to drop the dough into the oil. I am going to be frying these off, and then as soon as I finish that, I am going to start cracking my eggs. I'm going to be adding some black pepper, a pinch of salt, some parsley, and some cayenne pepper, and also some oat milk. So stay tuned for that as I show you that stage of the process. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you. Leave a comment and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like. Also, shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Oh yes, I also added some spring onion, aka escallion. Don't come for me. Yes, I nearly forgot to mention that. There it is. I'm putting it in. Guys, I was ready to show you me pouring the egg in, but listen, look, it did not. I thought I was recording and I was not recording. See, these are the cons and the pros of recording and editing your own footage. We win some and we lose some, but anywho, I carried on. I hope you enjoyed watching the video so far. Please leave your feedback and your comments and let me know what you think. What I could have done better, any suggestions or anything like that. It is greatly appreciated and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you. Keep watching. And don't bother to tell me about the spoon hitting on the pan. Yes, I can hear it. It is so annoying, don't you think, guys? I think it's all done now, guys. What do you think? I'm so Jamaican, always overcooking stuff, but I would not change it for the world. Now I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of peppermint tea. What kind of tea do you love, guys? Let me know. And just like that, it's time to eat, guys. Get ready. Come guys, let's eat, let's eat. Bam! Plate look good, innit, guys? Wow. Awesome. Enjoy, guys. Until next time, I love you. Thank you for watching another one of my creations. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and come back next time for some more fun and innovative videos, even if they don't go according to plan. Bye. See you next time.